Ian, welcome back to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show again.
Judy, thanks for having me yet again.
So you're here today celebrating Ireland Day, ringing the opening bell. It's always wonderful to have you here.
Well, Judy, it's an enormous honour to open the market. It's a very important partnership platform for us with the New York Stock Exchange, as you know. And we're incredibly happy to be back here again with some very interesting business and political leaders.
So Ian, you're president of Ireland Inc. Ireland Inc. has been in existence for over 10 years now. So tell me, how did it start and how has it evolved?
Ireland Inc. started at a very volatile time economically for the world. And the idea behind it was that we would bring together business and political leaders who had shared challenges at the time to create a platform of dialogue and engagement and transaction. And today, from an Irish perspective, here we are in the United States. We're the sixth largest business investor in the United States, employing hundreds of thousands of Americans directly and indirectly.
Now, today you've got a group of U.S. and Irish business leaders that are joining you, along with representation from both governments. So what are some of your main takeaways from your discussion?
Again, Judy, we are geopolitically in interesting times. So today is a really, really valuable platform to bring political and business leaders together. There are challenges and to growth. We have to mention things like tariffs and so forth. So the opportunity today is to get ahead of those discussions. Like with any crisis, you have the discussion about the crisis before the crisis. And today we brought together business and political leaders from the United States and Ireland. And we've had some very, very valuable dialogue, engagement and outputs.
Now, lastly, there is a more magnified focus on economic relations in a global context. Given your role with Ireland Inc., what do you think is unique about the U.S.-Ireland economic relationship?
Well, I think there are a couple of things. I think our track record, we have a 100-year diplomatic and economic relationship together, which has only been proactive. I think in terms of shared opportunity, it is a two-way investment superhighway between Ireland and the United States. Ireland employs a large amount of US individuals, but the United States is a big investor in Ireland. And finally, the third piece is trajectory. We haven't peaked yet. This is the beginning, I believe, of a new, very exciting new chapter for our journey. And today at the New York Stock Exchange, it was an opportunity to discuss the opportunities ahead for both of us.
Ian, it's always wonderful to see you and have you here at the New York Stock Exchange. Thank you for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you, Judy, for having me again.